What has been the most amount of money that you ever made in a single year?
Portfolio range about 420.
What's that?
420 million.
What industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
The insurance brokerage firm that I run now is a multi-billion-dollar company.
In industrial real estate.
We basically set out to redefine Champaign.
What's your best advice to anybody trying to own a Lamborghini like you? Houston, Texas is the number 8 city in the world with the most millionaires. Today, we're going to be asking Houston millionaires how they became wealthy. What industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
I run a company and I solve a lot of problems. The insurance brokerage firm that I run now is a multi-billion-dollar company. It's crushing it, and it's all about great leadership and great people.
If you were to go back to when you started that first business, what's the number one thing that you would tell yourself?
Be bold and mighty forces will come to your aid. If you can get some education behind you, get some foundation, and young people, they all want to try to make it as fast as they can. Spend 4 or 5 years understanding your discipline and then go out and do it yourself.
What's the best financial advice that you ever received throughout your lifetime?
Read The Wealthy Barber and read The Millionaire Next Door, and save money early in your career. You know the rule of 7, save 10 to 20%, and if you do that by 30 or 40, you're a millionaire. Wow. Even if you make $70,000, $80,000 a year.
Yeah. How old were you when you first became a millionaire?
I think I was 28.
28. And how old are you now?
51.
What's the greatest lesson that you learned over that period of time?
To always change people's lives, help people. I have a 501c. I give away a lot of money. I love to help people. God put me on this earth to change people's lives.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that.
So where does that go?
The School of Hard Knocks, sir.
School of Hard Knocks.
We just went up to a table full of guys at a nice restaurant out here in one of the wealthiest areas in all of Houston. And the guy said that he's finishing up eating to come back in 10 minutes. So we're gonna go get an interview with him and see how he was able to become wealthy out in Houston, Texas. What industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
The funny thing, oil and gas is what I originally started off at. I went to school, went to TCU, and then I went to Rice University, but I started off in oil and gas as a project manager. From being a project manager, starting off as an angel investor, and then from an angel investor, had a few successful exits, or quite a few. Then I started my own private equity firm.
What has been the most amount of money that you ever made in a single year?
So it's not really based on your dividends, what you make off of your companies. It's more of what do you have as far as your portfolio. So portfolio range, about 420.
What's that?
420 million.
What was the biggest risk that you ever took throughout your career?
Snapchat was.
How so?
Because they were raising their seed round in 2010, and I ended up investing pretty much everything as a project manager. Just my salary, 80 grand at that time, that was a lot. So someone asking for 20 grand of your money, and you're like, that's a lot of money to just pay out of pocket. That was a big risk, but I mean, it paid off.
How much did you ultimately make off Snapchat?
So I was a board member of Snap. I actually retired about 3 years ago. So I mean, from just Snap and all the other companies in my portfolio, probably about 72.
72 million?
Yeah.
What is the biggest thing in your opinion that takes a business from 7 to 8 and eventually 9 figures?
Marketing. I mean, marketing is going to be your number one thing. You ask any investor, they're going to tell you marketing. I can sell shit, literally, and people will buy it. Mind you, it might not be everyone that'll buy it, but if I market it right, there will be hundreds of millions of people that actually invest into that.
Your portfolio was valued at 400 million.
Correct.
What's the best financial advice you ever received throughout your career?
Figure out loopholes. When you're buying something, don't buy it directly under yourself. Always buy your assets under other entities, holdings, and things of that sort. Lease it to yourself. 2 write-offs right there, just told you. So I mean, there's always so many different loopholes, but the main thing is to keep your money, figure out those loopholes, understand them, and be smart with it.
Guy we just interviewed right there, you can tell he's worked with a lot of crazy people and connections. It's all about who you know. You got to invest with people that are wealthier than you, that you know, and that's how you rise to the top. That's how you make the success. That right there was just a #1 use case of it. He's got a portfolio with over $400 million, and you just know that the people that he's worked with and connected with to find those companies, find those deals, get in those rooms, were able to help him achieve a 9-figure net worth.
How old were you when you made your first million?
I don't know, probably 10 years ago.
What is the blueprint to becoming a millionaire in today's world?
When I was a young kid, they always told me, I didn't understand it, they said 90% of success is showing up. And today I understand that, because if you show up to work, not only do you get work done, but people trust you. They know you're gonna be there like clockwork. And in today's society, showing up is the key. Show up, bust your ass, be the best worker. And most people today, when they invest, they don't invest in businesses, they invest in people. So that's my shortcut.
There's hundreds of restaurants throughout Houston. What's the biggest thing that you've implemented throughout your business to really stand apart from the competition?
Details, so remembering kids' names, having birthday cakes for people, surprising them, little details, handwritten letters, thank you for coming in the restaurant. Those things set you apart from everybody else.
And could you just kind of explain to them how many people came up and talked to you about like the interview we did with you a few months ago in Houston?
Well, I didn't know you guys were like national news. I thought it was just a little thing for a class at University of Houston or something. But I had maybe 150, 200 people come up to me. Oh my God, I learned so much from that little 3-minute video or 2-minute video. But you guys are good at what you do, so just keep it up.
Thank you so much. We really
Pleasure.
appreciate that time. Where can everybody find you?
Brossery 19, man. I'm always here 24/7.
I'm gonna give you guys some real game. You're always used to seeing us interview people, asking multimillionaires for the game. Here's the game. Like and subscribe to the School of Hard Knocks.
You heard it here first. We're on a mission to be the best educational and finance channel in the entirety of YouTube. So if you're not supporting already, come on, what are you doing?
Have you ever been a business owner at any point in time?
I have, the restaurant industry with my former husband.
What's your best advice to anybody starting a business in today's world?
I would just say, I think a lot of people, they doubt themselves too much. And the ones that don't, the ones that get up every day and don't take no for an answer and still believe in themselves, you could do anything you want to do.
What's the best financial advice you ever received throughout your lifetime?
Take care of your pennies and the dollars will take care of themselves. My grandmother told me that.
I love that. Look at who's going in the Lamborghini. She just gave some great game. Check her out. What's your best advice to anybody trying to own a Lamborghini like you?
Put it out into the universe and you'll get it.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. That's why I was telling you, anything. You can really create and have anything. If you put it out in the universe, visualize it, see it, and just go after it and don't give up on it.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for your time. Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Man, she came and delivered us some great value. She was a business owner in the restaurant industry on how she was able to really grow and become a successful business owner and how you can get a Lamborghini in today's world. She pulled up here in a Lamborghini, so let's go get some more out in Houston. What industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
So my degree is engineering, and the industry I'm in is I build port infrastructure equipment. So docking and mooring equipment for big port facilities. And I get to travel around the world and tell people how to basically manage issues and overcome obstacles.
What's the best piece of advice that you would tell your younger self?
So I think when we're born, you basically are given a ledger of numbers. And all those numbers are associated with decisions you get to make. And those decisions actually on the front end, so like 1 through 50, when you become like a human being and like you actually can make decisions for yourself, they compound. Meaning, like, if you make some really horrible decisions at a young age, they can cascade throughout your life. But as you get older, they get more valuable. So, I mean, I think decision making is probably one of the most important things that you need to consider.
What's the best advice that you ever received from a mentor?
It came from my dad. My dad's a stud too. It's being genuine, but at the same time being a chameleon. So we all have to adapt to the situations that are present. And you have to be able to adapt in a genuine way where you're not lying to anybody, but you can still fit in and you can be approachable. Most people that become successful, they either go on the narcissistic path or they go on the altruistic path. And they would rather probably help others than themselves. I try to gravitate towards not being the biggest person in the room.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. I loved your answers. I gotta say, this Houston video, maybe one of my favorite ones I've ever shot. River Oaks is one of the wealthiest areas and centers in all of Houston. We're out here, we've been snagging interviews all day, so let's keep them coming. In what industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
In industrial real estate.
Are you a business owner?
Yeah.
What exactly do you do? What is your company?
We buy or build and lease large industrial properties all over the country.
What's been the most amount of money that you ever made in a single year?
Over $1 million.
What's been your secret to being able to scale your business in real estate?
Secret is working 60 hours a week.
What's been your secret to sales throughout your career?
Best way to close deals is to listen. Don't be the person talking the entire time because you don't understand their perspectives and their needs and their wants, and then you know how to fulfill those needs and wants, and you get the sale, and you'll get the sale the next time.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with us. Thank you, sir. What's the best piece of advice that you would tell your younger self?
Live your best life always and don't worry about the future.
And what industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
Social media marketing for a renewable energy company.
What's the secret to marketing, building a strong brand?
Networking and building relationships outside of social media platforms.
What's been the most amount of money that you ever made in a single year?
Probably $350,000 to $500,000 a year.
What's the best financial advice you ever received?
Learn the importance of saving early on and invest as soon as you can. Real estate properties, building them up are a good investment option, I guess, early on, and then later on investing in companies that are worthwhile.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. The channel's this. You want? I'll get you. I got you. Let's do it. What industry did you pursue a career in?
Real estate investment trust.
What's the biggest deal that you've ever closed in real estate?
1.2 million, and it has to do with the businesses and all the tax breaks that you get along with it. It's not just like cash up front, but it has to do with all the tax breaks you're getting and all of the caveats and the nuances from that.
What's your best investment advice for people looking to buy property?
Do your research on what are the caveats for a real estate investment, so it's not just what you learn in real estate school, but you have to find out about the tax breaks and things that are going to make you a millionaire that most people don't do.
And one more thing, be sure to like and follow the School of Hard Knocks.
What industry did you ultimately pursue a career in?
Actually, the champagne space.
Are you a business owner?
Yeah.
What inspired you to really start a business in this industry?
This is a passion that I had going back to 22 years ago when I was in the restaurant industry. You know, and I pursued that in oil and gas, traveling the world and essentially seeing all the great places of the world for wine.
What's good, YouTube? What's up, boys? What's good, Tony? What's good, Prestige? What's good, Roxon? What's good, Alfonso? What's good, boys? Let's get started now. Alright, so we got an early stream today. Let's see what we do around this time, how everything plays out. It's just testing shit out. What's good, Duri? What's good, Brandon? What's good, T-Man? What's good, boys? Spam the dubs in the fucking chat to get started. Let's get started with this bit. Alright, let me show my face. Alright, boom. Yo, again, boys, I know my face looks kind of, because they did some fucking facial and it's just drilled, but it should be good in like within 3 days. I also made myself a little bit of coffee. Alright, let's start this shit up. Well, you got a facial? Yeah, I got a, not. Oh my god. Let me not even say anything. Forgot we were talking in public. Oh my god. But yeah, boys. I mean, bro, this was a trade that I was gonna take yesterday, but I didn't end up taking it. But it's fine. It was gonna play out too. This would have been a second trade. I'm like, nah, bro. I already took a losing trade today. Let me not take another trade, and it played out. It was ranging for a while too. But whatever. Let's get started to see what's going on here with gold. Let me actually send the Zoom link before anything. Give me 1 sec, boys. I'm sending the Zoom link to the premium chat. Boom. And then we go boom, boom, boom. Share screen, share audio. And then we got the link. Send them the link over to the premium chat right here. Beautiful. Okay, nice. Alright, what's good, boys? What's good, Carlos? What's good? What's good? Alright, so let's get started. So, what are we doing? If you guys notice, 15-minute time frame. Let's find the ranges really quick first. Our range right now, let's go on the 5-minute time frame. Ooh, I see. We do have some volume right now. Or is it just me? 10 pip range is gonna start like over here. It's gonna be your 10 pip range. We're a little bit earlier today, so our range still hasn't been created as good. So whatever. Let's create the range a little bit into the stream to find it out better. Let's go, Mr. Mago. I don't have premium access on Telegram yet. Oh shit, Carlos, I'm gonna get you in there. Let me actually. I was gonna do it yesterday, and then I had a whole bunch of shit to do, and then I didn't end up doing it, boys. You guys sent me, bro. You know what would be easier for me if you guys hit me up on Telegram. Hit me up on Telegram, the three of you, or Carlos. Hit me up on Telegram, and then I'm add you through there, just so I don't have to, so I can do it right now. If you add me right now through Telegram, just send me a text privately, and then I'll add you literally right now. It's gonna be a little easier for me. Alright, so daily time frame. Let's actually delete everything. Right here. If you guys notice here on the daily time frame, what did we do? We were here yesterday. Alright, this is how we were looking like. We kind of just did some fuck shit. We're basically ranging now here on the daily time frame. Our big time frame range is from here to right over here, if you guys notice. From here to here. And then we have a range from here to here. We're ranging right now on the daily time frame, if you notice. Alright, fire. Hit me up, G. Fire. Wait, I don't know. Tamilius. Did you win it yesterday, Tamilius? I didn't give you the... Bro, what the fuck? No way. I'm gonna hit you up, Tamilius. No way. Okay, so this is our daily time frame range, if you guys notice. We're ranging from here to here to here to here. This has been going on now since June 22nd now. So we did crack down. We closed below over here. Then if you notice, we're just ranging. We're holding this area, if you guys notice. So long term, if you guys close above over here, close below over here, then there you can take those long term either buys or sells. But for now, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. You guys notice we rejected from this area again. We're kind of pushing up a little. All right, cool. I'm now there. I got your text. We're changing or to rejecting from this area here on the daily time frame, and then now kind of get a little bit of push up. Go on daily time frame. No, a 1 hour time frame, we are ranging. What's our range here? From here to here. Notice from here to right over here. This is our range on the 1 hour time frame. All right, but now let's go on the 30-minute time frame and find that little range that we're gonna be trading on. If you notice, it kind of did break above over here. 30-minute. So now, what could we be doing? We could possibly come right back inside of the range. That's what I'm thinking. For now, that's what could be going on. Right, so 5-minute time frame. We're ranging. How much pips is this? 6 pip range, bro. That's too little. That's too little. We gotta see once we got our range. What's going on? I don't have premium. Okay, yeah. Hey friend, I'm a little late, but I'm here, brother. Fire. We all good. We're actually a little early. What's good, Seth? What's good, brother? So yeah, let's see what happens here on gold. Now GJ, what are we looking at here on GJ? GJ. Now we are within this whole. Let's go actually the daily time frame, because if you guys look at what's going on. We're waiting. If you guys have been here, I'm one trade from a payout, bro. Sheesh, good shit, Seth. Good shit, bro. If we're waiting, if you guys have been here for a couple of days now, I've been waiting for this area here on GJ to hit that 185 area, but we're still within this range over here. So within this range over here. So what are we waiting for on the long term? We're either waiting for close above or either close below this area for the buys or for the sells. For now, we gotta see the shorter time frames, see where we're at, because we're still ranging here. We got a nice little fake out here. We came above, and then we're now back inside of the range. So 1 hour time frame, what are we doing? We're ranging right over here. This is our range for today. It's actually right on the 30-minute. Okay, yeah, thank you, Adam. Fire, just got yours as well. And then, boom, boom. These are both of our ranges. If you notice, we kind of did the same thing here as gold. We cracked down here below. Now we're coming back inside of the range to fake out these sellers, and then on gold, we could possibly come up here and then fake out these buyers, which that's what I'm thinking. We got the bullish momentum, but we started dying down. Now what could be going on is something like this. Something like this could possibly happen. From there, maybe have like a 15 pip stop loss, and a 15 pip kind of back in the 15% area, maybe around here, drawing it from here to here, maybe like a 10 pip, something like this could possibly happen. That's what I'm thinking for right now. So am I gonna take the trade? I'm gonna wait a little bit because we just got on stream, and we want to see if it creates a little, range over here. So yeah. Benjamin Chips, hey Snipes, how is it going? Been a while on this stream. Hey, fire, bro, fire. For how long have you been on the stream, bro? I'm thinking something like this could play out. I'm thinking something like this could play out. Let's wait here 5 minutes. I don't want to sell here though. I want to sell here, if anything. I don't think we have enough volume to pop up here, to be honest with you. What about GJ? GJ's coming back inside of the range. Don't think GJ's going to sell off either, especially if this 30 minutes coming back inside. What about GU? GJ's coming up here a little bit. Could stay within this range over here. This is the range here on GJ. GJ probably has the best. GU probably has the best range here right now. What about EJ? Bro, I don't know. EJ tends to get like this little pusher on this side too. So we're never able to find that fucking range on EJ. The range was here, but now it broke through. Same shit's probably happening here on gold. We close like that, we're melting, bro. Especially if we close like this. Oh, we're coming back in. Coming back in. Let's see. I'm low-key thinking about taking a trade here, boys, around here. Oh, 5 minutes doesn't give me shit. I low-key wish it would have came up first, bro, instead of just go down immediately. The thing is that there's no more buyer's momentum. If you notice, you got the big push, then you got the push but not as strong, and then push not as strong either, and then now you're getting that bearish engulfing candle, which the fucking sell here would have been the thing. But bro, I have to look at it for a little longer, to be honest. I can't just come on here and take a fucking trade, because it's not ideal. I'd rather miss on the move. I'd rather look at the charts for like at least 10 minutes. You know, it's the smartest thing to do. But everything is telling me that we could reject here. Especially this 4-hour time frame. And then this SMA, once we're here, once we're around here, this SMA is going to touch this wick here. Okay, 1 minute for this to close. Take your time, don't rush it. No, yeah, I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna be very patient here. Bro, I caught sells on GJ and then Daniel called a buy right after and I hit TP on sells. Sheesh. Good shit. I'm in gold sells at 1912. Hey, good shit, Natalie. Oh, Natalia. Hey, Natalia, I remember you when I saw you at the gym. Don't think I forgot. Hey, Snipe, how's it going? Been a while. Yeah. Is your stop loss always 10 pips? No, it's been like 10 to 15 usually. 10 to 15. But right now it's a little better having it, taking profit here at 10 pips because I think 15 pips here would be way too low. No, I think we should wait, maybe. Miss out on this move. I think maybe miss out on this move and then wait for it to keep on ranging. That's what I'm thinking, because if this from here to here is 5, it's too little, bro. Gotta find the next little range here. There's always gonna be another move, bro, for sure. Can't believe you remember. Ha, I've been trading a lot from you. Thanks a lot. I've been learning. Hey, thank you. No, yeah, I remember, of course. It's not like I have damage students. I have a lot of people on here, but I do remember like the OGs for sure. All of the OGs I remember for sure. Oh, this is gonna melt, bro. This is gonna melt. The fucking cell right here, bro. Or right there where it was. Ooh! This is gonna melt. Right there. Oh, fuck. Did anyone get in there? Hold up. Did you enter? No, I didn't enter. But that shit's melting. Whatever, it's okay. Let's just wait a little bit longer. That was the play, though. That was the play. That shit's gonna melt right now. Watch. It's gonna obviously come back inside of the range. What about... What's GJ doing? GU probably has the best fucking range right now. To be very, very honest with you. But I don't know. I don't feel comfortable trading GU right now. Am I gonna get in here? I don't know. I wanna... if anything, I want like a bigger range. Zoom. Christian, I sent the Zoom. I'm not in this, by the way. Not in this. How do I... Let me... Not in... But 5 minutes isn't telling me shit. I do low-key want to get in. But I want to wait. This is what I want to wait. I'm actually going to clear everything. No. You know what? I'm going to take this out. Watch this, boys. I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this out. And then I'm going to wait for it to create something until 8:15. At 8:15, it's a sorry. No, I'm not in anything. At 8:15, I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient here. For it to create like some type of range. Because we could be ranging here. So if this makes some nice little, you see, if it comes up here, this is what we could be doing. If it comes up here around this area, we could reject it and then come back down and then come up, come back down, and then this would be our range that we would be trading. Remember, we're a little early, so we have to wait for the ranges to be created. But I think this is going to be our range. To be very, very honest with you, I think this might be our range here on the 5-minute time frame. From here to here, I think it's low-key difficult catching the ranges early. So we're going to wait 15 minutes. That's going to be our range. What do you guys think? I think that's a good idea, no? This might be a range. If we look for the sell here, then we could get drilled because this could be our range. So I think it's way better if we wait and then for this to be created. Maybe wait for this to get rejected and then we look for the buy. I think that's the best thing we could be doing there. Give me 1 second, boys. I'll be right back. I'm literally going to be back in 2 minutes, so don't leave. While I'm out, can you guys like the stream? Thank you. I love you guys. I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes. Alright, I'm back. Bro, Bro, I had coffee, and I really drink coffee. I've been very, very tired at this time. I don't know why, maybe my schedule or some shit. And yo, coffee is not great. You guys know what I mean. Let me see the chat. 13, I don't see the Zoom. I sent it to my DJ Snipes Premium. 13 win, 1 loss this month. Well, not this month, because it's July 6th. But overall, like, from my last 14 trades, it's been 13-1. And yeah, literally all on the live stream. I think 1 or 2 were on, 2 of them were on Dollar's live stream, which was still live. And then I think on 1 of them was in my free group. And then that's pretty much it. All of the other ones were on my live stream. But they were all called for free. Let me see. What you up? Are you doing a giveaway? What's up? Are you doing a giveaway? Yo, 3 times 2. You come for the giveaways. I've been catching your ass. No hate though. No hate. No, probably not today. You can leave if you want. No, I'm kidding. Bro, I've been asleep for 18 hours. Damn. Wow, seriously, damn. I'll be here from now on. I think it's a good idea. A lot of people have been passing the challenge and shit. I don't sleep. There you go. Where is that Zoom link, lol? It's in my premium. We already, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the Christian, you're on there. I know you're on there. What is your free group? If you go on my description, there's a free group that I have. If you go, I can send it to you guys. I can send you guys my free group so you guys sign up. I'm sending the link right now. Just click the link and then it's free. In the Freedom, no, Christian, not in the Freedom one. On the Dr. Snipes Premium one. I started sending it to only my Premium because I didn't think it was fair. You know, a lot of people are paying for mine, and then I don't think it's fair. All right, I'm sending here for you boys. Christian, I'm pretty sure you're in mine as well, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so 15-minute time frame. That's my free group. Bro, I'd rather pay for lifetime more than monthly. Yeah, it's smarter. So like, let's see if we reject. If we reject here and then we come here, I think we could look for the buys. Because it's already making a range. And then this is the usual 10 pip range that we traded. So let's see, we just gotta wait. 8:15 we'll start looking for a setup. I'm gonna wait at least until 8:15 to take a trade. 5 minutes. And then yeah, you guys already know. If we come down here, I'll look for the sells. Hopefully it doesn't break out though. That would suck if we're trending today. I don't think we're gonna trend though. It's been many days that we don't trend. But let's see. I extremely doubt that we're gonna trend today. I think we're just gonna range like fucking always. It's been trending like this for I don't even know how long, bro. For I think like almost this whole year, it just trends at this time. Not trends. Just consolidates and just moves in a range. So I doubt. You see, there you go. The buyers are for sure getting in right here. 1000%. I have a few people that have gotten in buys right here. And then this. So they're definitely keeping their stops. Maybe like this for sure, bro. For sure their stops are here. For sure their stops are here. So we're gonna get in at their stop loss. And then it comes back to their entry. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna move this. We're gonna move this to 19111. Right over here. 19111. Just like this, and then our stops are gonna be here. Are you guys paying attention, or do you guys literally? Did you just see what I just did there? I'm coming for these guys' stops, and then I'm getting in at their stop loss. Are you getting into this? I most likely will, yes. So be ready. Be ready, because I'm about to take a trade. How much is your VIP? Bro, it's affordable as fuck. I don't have a lifetime, though. Should I open up a lifetime for right now? I think my VIP is like 50 bucks, bro. 50 bucks. I think you guys make more than 50 bucks every time you come on here. You see, there it goes. It's coming for the stop loss. We're going to buy when it comes right here. Give it a second. Give it a second. Wait for the push. Wait for the push. Ooh, that could have been the rejection. Wait for it to come down here, actually. Damn, is it really gonna leave us? Damn. That was the rejection. Same as blooper profit. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it, wait for it. What's the 1 minute time frame doing? Oh, it's gonna fucking fly. Wait for this right here. $80 pips. 8 pips. We're going for that 8 pippers. I'm sorry I'm quiet here, boys. I'm very patient. I'm worried. I'm very concentrated on what's about to happen here. I'm not in, by the way. Let me write it down. Not in. Give it a second. I'm waiting for the entry. I want to get out here, bro. Give it a second. Give it a second. I'm looking for something like this. Come on, bitch. Come down, bro. Come down, come down, come down. What's the 5 minute doing? 5 minute closing right now. I doubt it's coming down, bro. Alright, if anything, we're good on the sells right here. Yeah, I doubt it's coming down because what it's doing. Well, let's see. If anything, we could take something like this. But you see, we found our range. We got to buy. I don't know. Did you guys get in? I don't think you guys got in. We're waiting for the sell now. We're waiting for the sell. And then that's it. After this one, very risky. I think I'll be going for 8 pips, bro. Okay. Give it a second. I'll let you know when I'm in. Boom, I'm in. I'm in on sells. Oh my god, it's melting. Are you guys in? Wait for it, boys. We're halfway down. Alright, let's be patient. Let's be patient here. Let's go back into the 5 minute. Oh my god, 5 minute. It's looking fucking great. I didn't even have time to call it on the VIP. Our spreads are a little tight right now. But it's okay. It's okay. Just wait for it to come down and you'll be in profit. We're coming down. Alright, we're coming. We're coming. How much pips is this? It's 3 pips. We're looking for 8. What broker you use? I'm using a prop firm. Yeah, but I'm basically break even right now. Don't think you guys are the only ones. But we're waiting for the push. Once we get that push, we'll be in profit. We'll take money. I'm just waiting for that push. Where we get our 14 straight, boys? Yo, is this Chris? Yo, I'm mute right now. I'm mute right now.
Hey, yo!
Yo!
I was talking to my boy about you, bro. I was like, yo, my boy's the best Forex trader in the world. You don't believe it.
Yo,
and I told him you're on a 13 win streak, man.
13 win streak. Yeah.
Lucky 13, right?
No, we got screwed at 13. We lost our 13th straight, but it's 13-01.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Bro, look,
We're in the
I'm
blues,
trading
man.
on Australian USD. Do you do that one?
No, I don't do that. I'm doing gold and GBP JPY. I'm in a
Do you
trade
feel like
right
that's the
now.
one?
Yeah, this has been the one for 3 years.
Damn. And you're about to go live and trade right now?
I'm live right now. I got 80 people in this bitch. Yeah, they're all. I think they're on the trade right now. We're break even kind of right now.
Yo, you didn't take the trade. I was telling him, I was like, yo, like take the trade, but
I didn't know.
We're looking for buys. We're looking for buys here, and then it flew. So now we're looking for the sells here. That's how I've been winning. Yo, boys, that guy right there is my best friend right there.
He's always hyping you up, bro. He's like, yo, my best friend.
yo, I tell him
Killing it
that
up for it.
yo, you gotta get the group chat, the Telegram.
Pull up,
I got
pull
him
up,
on
it's
IG. I'm gonna get the Telegram.
Yes, Marcus, you can enter now if you want. But try to wait for entry. But yeah, it's been fire. Now we're just waiting. But it's been a good month.
Let's see.
What's good, Chris? You wanna do some shit after? What time you get out?
Bro, I get out like at 11. Bro, I mean, I'm going to the beach tomorrow morning. That's the thing.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to come.
Where's that?
Let's see.
I mean, he's trading gold right now.
No. Like, where is he? Where are you watching the stream?
Well, Telegram, but you have to pay for it, dog.
Oh, okay, fine.
And he has a free one.
I have a free group.
So once you like win on the free one, and you really like him, you can like pay for the premium one.
But you could go on my YouTube and never pay too. This is what a lot of people do.
Exactly.
Bet.
Yo, but you're still doing the one-on-ones or no?
Hell yeah. I have a 1-on-1 scheduled. I have 2 1-on-1 scheduled. If you guys want to do 1-on-1s, yeah.
Well, bro, you're super inspiring. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to do the same.
Now you just started off on Forex.
Yeah, bro. It's been a ride. It's been a ride. Ask Chris, bro. I started trading 3 years ago, and it was like losing so much money. And then I just fucking cracked out of that losing streak, and now it's like fire. I get to fucking live off this shit.
No, that's great. You can actually live off of it with all your bills and shit?
Yeah.
That's fucking cool. That's the goal right now.
Yeah, it's been a ride.
Dr.SnipesFX.
Yeah, he subscribed to your YouTube right now.
Hey, let's go. Thank you for the sub.
Dr. Snipes.
Got it. I'm gonna go work.
Take
care, Woody.
Good luck. Bro, that's my fucking best friend, bro. He's been on with me, bro, since I was broke as fuck. I swear. We've been building shit together since we were broke. And then now, luckily, I was lucky able to, to be profitable in this shit. And it's inspiring for most of the people that used to know me before. And bro, trust me, anyone can fucking do this shit. You just have to. Yes, I'm in, Edgar. Yes. I'm waiting for this to come down. It's inspiring because at the end of the day, like, I was able to not work anymore and shit, and people are still working, and it's like, but at the end of the day, they're gonna kill it in the future too, just like you guys are gonna kill it in the fucking future. How come the trade didn't copy on my funded? I know it didn't. I think it's because you need a stop loss and shit on yours, no? Let me see. How come you don't wait for it? Are you guys doubting me, bro? Are you guys doubting me for real? You guys doubting me for real? No, I'm kidding. Bro, just wait for it. Trust me, it's just gonna melt. We found our range. It's now ranging. Just gotta get out at the bottom. Simple. What's the stop loss in TP, Mr. Mago? My stop loss is at 1913.1. Take profit is at 1911.5. Just wait for it. You're killing it, bro. Thank you, brother. But yeah, bro, it's like at the end of the day, you know something that actually got me very profitable in Forex. Obviously being consistent, but adapting to the markets, bro. Adapting to the markets. If you adapt to the markets,
and you know what's been going on, because at the end of the day, markets change. And you could be very profitable 1 month, and you could be very profitable 1 year, and the next year you're like, wow, bro, what the fuck is going on? But you gotta adapt. If you notice, I had to do Asian session, so I adapted to Asian session. What am I doing? Answering many questions of you here. I'm adapting and I'm trading the range, right? If you guys notice, we rejected at this level, right? We're getting out at this level over here. Very simple over here. It's not as simple as you guys think. Yes, you guys are selling here and buying here, but for me, it took experience to find where these ranges are and draw these ranges right. At the end of the day, it's not like, yes, you guys could do it right now because you guys are seeing me do it. But for you to do it yourself without looking at me, it's different as fuck. So adapting to the markets, know how to draw your ranges, know when is the right. Being patient is very important, right? Because for example, you guys could have been here, right, with this trade over here, and then let's say you were waiting for the buy here, but it started coming up. Some shit I used to do is fucking buy right here, right? But no, you gotta get the buy here because spreads fuck you up. You get what I mean? Look, we're about to hit TP. You can't doubt me, bitch. You can't fucking doubt me. We found the range, and that's it. We're trading the fucking range. We're in profit. At the end of the day, bro, I get to go home and fucking eat just because I was able to find it. I'm in the blues. Like, that's simple. As long as you're in the fucking blues, bro. Get ready. Yes, that's what I was waiting for. Get ready for that. Get ready. Get ready to get out. Get ready to get out. Get ready to get out. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's give it. You gotta be patient. Yeah, do not get out here, please. Do not get out here. Wait for it. Types exactly now. Now it's a good time to get in. Yeah. So is the blue. I just did. Wait for it to come down. Blues are down here though. Not here. We're still in blues, but not that heavy. Here we'll be making almost 1% here because of spreads. But this is fire though, because this is where markets don't fuck with you. They don't fuck with you because it's like, oh, this is the easy time to trade, so let's put the spreads high as fuck. But at the end of the day, like, higher spreads, more possibilities of you winning a trade if you're doing this. But just wait for it, boys. Just wait for it. During learning what you did today, look how to study. How did you improve? Hold up. Give me a sec. Alejandro, I'm gonna get back to you. I have to be focused here because I gotta get out at the fucking perfect timing. At these areas here, you get fat ass rejections and then there's no fucking way you can get out. Wait for it to come down. It's rejecting the SMA now. Wait for it. What's the lot size? Well, it all depends on what size account you have. Use the lot size accordingly to what your size account is. Okay. Come on, bitch. You see, look at the trade. Look at the trade on the 15. That shit looks fire. Alright. Give it a second here, boys. Oof. That was a strong rejection. Give it one more push. Come on, push. Give it. Oh my god, there's so much rejection there. Give it one more push. I'm so concentrated. Give it a second. I'm low-key about to get out, like right here. Boom, I'm out. I'm out. Woo! Woo! Jeez! I'm out of there, bro. You're gonna get the TP smash, though. I don't even give a fuck anymore. I'm out. I took profit and I ran. 14 fucking trades to 1 lose. Where the fuck are the dubs in the chat, boys? Where the fuck are the dubs in the chat? Were you guys even waiting for a fucking giveaway, or were you guys fucking waiting for a fucking dub right now? Where the fuck are the dubs? 14 trades to 1, boys. Woo! That was a close one, huh? That was patience to fucking... That was testing my patience for sure. That was testing my patience for sure. Sheesh! Did you guys get out? Please tell me you guys got out right there. Please tell me you guys got out right there. Tell me who got out. Who got out? Who got out? I know you guys got out, bro. Holy shit. Look at that shit, boys. Ah! Yo, this is insane. That was patience to the fucking, like, to the fucking most, bro. That was insane. Wow. That look-key had my fucking heart going crazy. Did you manually get out? Yes, I manually got out. Yes, sir. How many pips did you catch? I think that was 7 pips, which is not that much, but bro, blues is blues, my boy. As long as you're eating every fucking day, that was like less than 1% there for me. But what you gotta do is, if we're taking trades like these, you have to put up your lot size a little bit more, which is what I'm doing. How many pips did you catch? Yeah. Did you get out manually? Yes.
How did you beat that range, bro?
So that's exactly why I got on a little earlier. So we could find the range earlier and then fuck with the range earlier. You know what I mean? So that's literally why I got on earlier. So now the range was created, right? Here we didn't even know the range was made, but once we started coming down here and then coming up, that's where we were like, all right, this shit's ranging here. We're gonna find the range here. So that's what we did. Now what's most likely gonna happen right now is this. Let's see how many trades it takes for it to break out of the range. Let's test it out, boys. You guys don't have to take this trade, but we're testing shit out here. This is most likely gonna fly right now. Look, our TPO was massive. You guys were holding, but I got out like right here at this white line, which is okay. But look, let's see if it plays with our range here, which it most likely is, bro. This shit's not coming down. So if you guys want to take this, you guys can. Let's see what happens there.
I'm not even going live snaps. You killing it with this ranging strategy.
That shit's crazy, right?
Crazy, crazy, bro.
I know, that shit insane. Did you guys make profit or was it too tight? I know you guys made some profit. You guys have had to make profit. But next time, remember, we're doing this every day. So next time, put up your lot size a little bit more. And if you guys want, you guys could take this next trade. And you guys could risk this trade if you guys want. And then test it out. I just bought. Alright, nice. You guys could do that. Wait for this entry, or you guys could buy right now. If you guys want, risk this trade and then put your lot size a little bit higher. We're winning every day, so it's okay to risk. Like, I don't give a fuck about risking. You get what I mean? The only thing I don't want to risk is my win streak. But money-wise, like, bro, it's basically going to take me months to fucking go back to break even. Which is what matters at the end of the day. So if you guys are literally taking the same trades, maybe you guys want to fucking take this. Yo, Snipes, was good. I'm just late and I didn't catch that one. It's okay, Bar. We just took another one. I wasn't able to send it on my fucking... It was too quick, bro. It was too quick. But be on here, boys. Be on here. But we're another day. Look, if you want barbecue, you could fucking... Maybe buy when it starts coming back inside of the range here. That's what I'm thinking. I think it's going to come right back in. And then TP2 would be... 8 pips would be around here. Oh, but I doubt that I'll hit TP2. And I don't think anyone's holding cells. Are you guys holding cells? Are you doing a giveaway? Yo, 3 times 2, send in the giveaway again. I just gave away a trade, bro. Isn't that what you wanted? A giveaway? I just gave away a trade. I'm waiting for 45 closure on CAD GFU as well. Fire. Let me see. Daniel texted me. Okay, so it's tomorrow. You need the trade, brother. Look at this shit, bro. What a fucking trade. How often do you withdraw, Mr. Dan? Every month. I held the trade all the way to 10 pips. What a rush. Yo, that was a rush, right, Natalia? That was a rush. That was like, whoa. Yeah, I was fucking sweating thick. Damn, you guys bought? Oh my god. This shit broke out of the range early as fuck. But what? It's already 8:30, bro. That's the thing. It's already 8:30. It's a little late. I'm not gonna lie to you. What a banger of a trade. I regret buying. It's okay, bro. It's okay. We'll get it back. The thing is that I don't know. Broke out of the range early. But it's okay. I had yeah. That was a fucking rush. Like, honestly, I don't know. That trade was a little different than the other ones. The thing is, it's a little different when you lose a trade. Because yesterday I lost a trade. And I haven't lost a trade in like 2 fucking weeks. It's been like 2 weeks since I haven't lost. And then I lost yesterday and then I won again. And it's like, sheesh. I didn't want to lose there. Or I didn't even want to go break even. TP2 is about to be smashed here though. If you guys were holding. I don't think any of you are holding, to be honest. So I'm not even going to call it like that. But TP1 was smashed. What a trade, bro. Wow. That was great. That was great. Types of TP smasher. I know, dude. It's been insane. I agree that you have one of the best Forex strategies. I literally do have one of the best fucking Forex strategies in the game. At least for right now, it's definitely one of the best fucking Forex strategies. Look at this shit. This is melting. We could even caught 20 fucking pips in this bitch. 20 pips was hit. That's insane. And the closure below played out. But I would never gone for that. It's very risky. Very risky. Also, if you guys notice, it's now trading kind of this range. So if you guys want to do something, you guys could buy here. You guys could go for the buys right here. If you guys want. But I think I'm good for the day, bro. Maybe I'll look for another trade, but I don't know. Let's see how it plays out. Maybe around this area, get 15 pips. Looks so like right now. Let's see how it plays out. I'm personally not gonna get in, but I want to see what it plays out. Cause like if you guys notice, it was ranging over here. Boom! It was ranging. Right? So look, let's see if we would have gotten in like right here. Boom. Let's say we're in. I think there was no like, I mean there was low key a liquidity sweep right over here, but a very low key one. So I don't think we could melt. Alright, do we even have the volume to melt right now? I doubt it. I got two now. I'm gonna finna blow my account. Oh, you bought right now too? I'm in. Bro, watch out. If you took a losing trade, I don't recommend getting in. To be honest. Don't go crazy now. That second was just like a test to see if it was. But I don't know. I mean, yeah, you could buy right now. You would be down, what, 1% on the day? I mean, 1% on the day is not even that bad. But take it like, just see if it's for a trip. Markets you trip. Are you in this? No, I'm not in. You could get in 3 times 2. You could get in if you want. We're basically seeing if we could trade this range here. But if you get what's going on now is that we were trading this range. Let's go back on the 15. We're trading this range here. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Broke out of the range, but if you guys notice, this is still a range. This was the range 2. We basically just traded the range 2. Oh my god, Marcus is about to eat right now. Marcus is about to eat. Everyone says Marcus tripping, but he don't get about to eat. But the odds of this pushing down, I doubt it. If anything, it's gonna stop those guys out who just sold. That's what I'm thinking. And then a closure would be fire in the 15-minute. 15-minute closure, maybe around here, to stop these guys out. Whoever's selling, I think would be great. And look, you guys, it's very important also to look at the higher time frames at these type of moments. You know why? Because if we come here to the 4-hour time frame, we are rejecting from this area. Right? We're rejecting here. So there could be, if anything, if we're going to get a strong push, there could be more possibilities of getting a stronger push to the upside than to the downside. So if anything, it's kind of better to buy at these type of moments. But look at that. It played out fucking beautiful, bro. Wow. What a nice sell. You know what I'm going to do, guys? You know what we're going to do? There's been many times on here. We're winning most of the time. I'm in buys now. Oh, shit. You guys are in buys? All right. Nice. Nice. Okay. What I think I'm going to start doing is we're winning. 14-1. What is that shit? That's like more than 90%, no? That's like more than 90% that we're winning here. So something that we could be doing is we could hold runners. We could hold runners.
I didn't know I was unmuted, bro. I just went to the bathroom, just came back, just see what happened to go, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, just melted, bro.
Yeah. So back to what I was saying. So what we could be doing here is that we could hold to TP1, but I think we should low-key leave like 30%. The thing is that 30% is already a lot because of spreads. So maybe 20. Hold 20, catch a little bit of profits, and then many of the times that we've been in, it's coming down to hit TP2. So hold it down to TP2, and then there we could eat a little bit more. That's what I'm thinking. It could be something we could try out. I think it's a good idea. Cause it's been like 50, 40, maybe 45% of the times that we come down to TP2. Cause we get like that last push after the range break. So look, this is for the buyers. The buyers are low-key chilling as fuck here, bro. To be honest with you, I low-key want to get in with y'all here. It looks hella good for the buys. To be very fucking honest with you. I'm in buys now. Let me put not in. Not in yet. But I don't know, it could be a fucking possibility. You know where it could be a possibility for me to get in? If price comes down and then boom, it starts coming back up. There I would low-key get in. But let's see. Because it looks good. The possibility for this to come down here, bro, you rarely see pushes like this during Asian. This is what, like a 20 pip push? Yeah. Oh, 15 pip push. Oh, it's already coming up. The buys were here. It's already coming up. What are you guys thinking? Are you guys in this shit or what? It's risky as fuck. But I think it's nice. I think it's worth it. Go. Hell yeah. Yo, we low-key should like put it on screen here. 14 to... You know what I need to do? That little... I just don't know how to do it. The little fucking thing where you put on the screen like how your win rate and all that shit. Like I don't know how to do it. If you guys know how to do it, hit me up. Cause right now I think we're on a fucking... We're like on... What's the fucking win rate for right now? Yeah, like that overlay. It's like an overlay for the Streamlabs. But I think it updates every time you take a trade. I'm not sure. Or I think you have to update it. Bro, tell me now, bro. We've been sniping the markets. This is unbelievable. Bro, tell every fucking person that trades Forex with you to come on here, bro. So they could fucking eat. I'm not saying it for my good. I'm saying it for fucking your guys. That like this is... If I would have seen someone like me at the beginning when I started trading Forex, I would have been like, holy fuck. What the fuck is this shit? But yeah, let me not get unhumble. It gets a little unhumbling when you win too much. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not really like this. When I'm like trading, usually like making 5 to 8% a month. Right now, bro, this is like my biggest month. For sure, my Forex fucking journey. This is probably my... Yeah, it's my first time that I ever get this far. Let's wait. Calm down, bro. You're not all that. Well, at least, you know what? You know what, bro? It makes me happier that at least I got haters on here, bro. You know why? Because sometimes when I had like 30 people and shit on here, 20, I look-key had no haters, bro. But now when you got haters, it's like, holy shit, I'm actually fucking making it. I think it's to Tranquil Tunes. You're able to prove that to me. But yeah, it's a little unhumbling when you're winning too much. I'll tell you that. I'm probably one of the most humble traders that you ever meet. But bro, when you do shit like this, get the fuck out of here. You think you're on top of the world. And trust me, this shit is not over. It's 14-1. Like, yeah, I'm not on a winning streak, but it's like 14-1 is still great. You are not just getting trades, you're also educating people. Happy to be part of the stream. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you. You're doing good. Keep up the good work. Yes, sir.
The real OGs already know.
Yeah, they already fucking know. Good trader for sure. Most important, you help others for free. Yeah, bro. What the fuck? I'm gonna sell no $1,000 billion course. Get the fuck out of here. And I like it. I like going live. You feel me? I like going live, bro. This is like. Remember when I was low-key like not going live every single day? It was like I liked going live. I've always loved going live since I started going live, but it was harder for me to go live. But now it's a little bit easier for me to go live because it's like I love it so much. And it's like I'm already in the routine of doing it. And I love to see you guys every day. And I love to see you guys win. And then when we lose, I like to educate you guys. It's like, you know, I wish I had someone like that when I started. I did, but you know, no, you know, I did. That's the reason I do it, because I did. But every day, like, Dollar was one of those who was like, bro, I was going on his live every single day, and let me tell you, Dr. Dollar is probably one of the best fucking traders I know for sure, bro. And the guys that are doing it live on YouTube, trust me, those guys, every one of you guys that are doing it live on YouTube, they're fucking killing it. They're fucking killing it, because a lot of these traders that say they're fucking fire ass traders and shit on YouTube and just do fucking YouTube videos, like, yeah, they're fucking cool, but who knows, you feel me, if they're good and they have a good win rate. I think gold wants to keep melting. I don't know, let's see. It's lucky holding this area pretty well, but it's also not rejecting. So it's kinda undecisive. You go to 5-minute time frame, this bitch is holding. I think it could come up though, to be honest with you. You gonna be on tomorrow? No, tomorrow markets are closed. I'm gonna be on here on Monday though. You guys know I'll be on here on Monday. What times do you guys like? I forgot to ask you that. What do you guys like? 7:30 or 8 Eastern time? What do you guys like? Because if you guys like earlier, then maybe we could do earlier. I kind of do like earlier too. 8, 7:30. We could do 8. I don't mind 8. I don't mind 8 at all. Gives me more time to get home. Okay, Mr. Mango, okay. 8, 7:30. I think 8 is better, low key. Oh, it's pretty even. 8. How many 8s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 7:30s. It's 8 to 4. Damn, that's pretty fucking. Oh no, but then Fly Nathan did it double. So 4 to 4. Damn.
So Snipes.
Yo, what's up?
Would you say the Asian session has a lot to do with understanding the range?
So you have to, if you don't, let me explain to you guys why Asian session ranges. The reason why Asian sessions are most of the time ranges is because where most money is getting implemented in the market is during those currencies that is used the most in the world, right? What are the biggest currency? Well, the most used currency in the world is the USD. It's the one where it's used mostly around the whole world, right? People are trading the USD more than anywhere else. Literally, like, it's the one that's traded the most. So that's why New York session is basically the most volatile session. Now for London session, The GBP is also used a lot. But remember, it's now the GBP and the USD, because you have to keep in mind the dollar is also used literally around the whole fucking Europe is used as well, and it's traded. People are buying things in USD as well. But if you go over to Asian session, it's being used, but it's not as much as these other pairs. And then when these banks open, that's when it starts being implemented the most, right? Because the banks, why? It's not the people who are moving these markets, it's the banks. So when the banks are open, let's take for example, if the New York bank is open, then there these motherfuckers are. If you get what I mean. It's probably the best way to explain it. But when the banks are closed, people are still using the USD and the GBP, but it's not moving as much. It's not as volatile, which is right now the New York exchange and the London exchange is not open right now. It's being used. That's why we're trading gold, right? Gold is being used. But when it's most used is during those sessions. So if that answers your questions, then yes. Como lol. Hey Tony, how are you doing? Hey, what's good? Tony, those banks dropping whopping millions. Hell yeah.
So GBP is right below USD.
I mean, it's not like right below, but it has the same amount of volatility. Asian session is the gamble session. I mean, if you want to call it like that. But I don't think anyone has gone to a casino and has won 14 fucking times in a row. I can't even say 14 times in a row. But I could say 13 times in a row. Or no, I could say 12 times. No, 13 times, actually. Facts, lol. But look at the buy. You see the buy's looking playing out here. 5 minute looking good. Well, it's not that it's looking good, but it's moving here. Put on some socks. But yeah, Snipes the GOAT. Hell yeah. But yeah, it's been going great. It's been going fucking great. But I feel like doing something. This weekend. Should we do something this weekend? Like a back testing session together or some shit? I'm looking down. And we could back test what's been going on. I'll do it for free. We'll do it like on the free group. Come to Houston. I'm coming to. I think I might go to Houston. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to Houston for Dr. Dollar. Because he's having a baby. So I think I might go see when he's born and shit. Let's see. The GBP pushing up here. What has it been doing? 15-minute time frame. Look, if you guys saw this, boom, it came. How many pips was this rejection? 10 pip rejection. Sheesh. Yeah, it's looking fucking up these people heavy. You see, GG's not that good to trade that range, bro. It's gold. Gold is the best to trade a range. That's why I just been doing gold, to be honest with you. Tell me what you do. Yeah, well. Back to back like Snipes. Like, there it goes. It's doing something. But what do you guys think? What should we do? Should we do like a back testing session or some shit? Or should we do yeah, I don't know. I want to do something with you guys. I feel like I have a lot of new people on here, so I want to give away something, or I want to I don't know. Help them feel comfortable. Yo, Snipes, love from UK. Hey, what's good, Fly Nathan? Are you in gold buys? No, I'm not in. I have it right here. No, I'm not in. But it was a trade idea that I had here for you guys. I got in this gold sell. I took profit around here. No, oh no, right. Like, where was it? Oh no, I got in here, and then I got out like right here. And then look at gold. What did I say, boys? Who's in the gold buys? I know someone is. Who was it? Marcus. Marcus is eating right now. Marcus, you still in here? Like the stream, boys. You know, yes, sir. Oh, Mr. Mago's in the buys. Mr. Mago's in the buys. Liz Beth is in the buys. Okay, nice. We got some buyers in here. Look at this shit. Yep. Yeah, Marcus is in the buys. I took it all. I took it. Yes, let's go, bro. Yo, you guys are on the buy. Woo! You guys are in the buys. Okay, nice. You see? Nice. I love that you guys believe in me. Edgar's also in the buys. This is nice. Yeah, okay. Nice. So you see, I like it when you guys take trades when I'm not in it too, because you guys understand the strategy. Those who played are Rangers traders. Yeah, hell yeah. It's going to 2050. Damn, 2050 from here. Let's see. Snipes, why did you change your trading time from London to Asian? What's good, Isaac? I haven't talked to you in a while, brother. Why did I change it? Because it was better for health reasons, bro. Health reasons. And it's better, bro. Honestly. And look how fucking we're killing it on here, bro. And I kind of had an idea that this could have been possible. I backtested this for a while too. Before I was coming on Asian session, I'm like, alright, what the fuck am I gonna do during Asian? I backtested my strategy. And then it played out pretty well, but it didn't go well. So I was like, alright, what's going on? I backtested this strategy. And I'm like, alright, this is what's playing out. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna adapt to the market, and this is what we're gonna do. So now think about it like this. I'm winning, I'm eating, I'm actually eating more than I was during London session, to tell you the truth. I fucking killed it London session. London session was like my breakthrough, where I went from having a job to not having a job. But let me tell you the truth, guys, right now I'm doing way better in Asian session than London. And it's been great. And then also, on top of that, it's 9 p.m., bro. I could go to sleep like in 2 hours and I could have a fucking regular schedule. You get what I mean? And also, I don't have to wake up early in the morning and that shit. I could do whatever I want if I trade at this time. So it's easier for me to be, number one, more consistent, and it's easier for me to have a way better schedule, bro. London session, it fucks you up, dog. Fucks you up. You're here all fucking day with eye bags and all that shit. That's not the fucking play, you feel me? At the end of the day, I'm getting older. I made my profit. I'm not as fucking excited to be up in the morning. Like, you get what I mean? I'm just not as excited anymore to do any of that shit. I'd rather still make money and be healthy at the end of the day. Hey, Snipers, I took the buy. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I'm so happy that you guys took the buys. I just turned the bot on. Hey, let's go. Yo, Chino, how's the bot been? Chino has the Freedom bot. If you guys want to text Chino and ask him how the bot has been for him, just go on. And if you guys have any questions as well, I don't want to fill you up with people like if you were either. Like, don't be hitting him up if you guys have problems and shit. Just hit him up if how has it been doing, because he's not technical support either. You guys could ask him questions, but look, it's been going insane for everyone who has the fucking bot. The bot, at the end of the day, I told it to a lot of people. It's the best investment you could ever fucking make if you don't want to be here on stream and just turn trading into a passive income. Best fucking investment you could do. Is it cheap? Hell the fuck no, it's not cheap. Is it affordable for what it is? In 1 month, you'll get your money back. I promise you. I'm telling you that. I promise you. But at the end of the day, you gotta make investments if you want to move to earned income into passive income. So that's just how life is. What was your first decent withdrawal when you first started trading? My first my first best one was my first one. 15K, and then the last week I just withdrew 12K. Yeah, I'm not a fucking multi-millionaire from trading, but at the end of the day, multi-millionaire traders are not gonna come on here and teach you guys and shit. Like, they're just doing other shit. You feel me? Like, I'm low-key like right in the middle. Like, I'm making money from this shit. I don't have to go to a job and shit, but you know, I also have time to come on here and teach you guys. So it's like, take advantage, because there's gonna be a moment where I'm gonna want to do it like for more money. Probably not, bro, to be honest with you. I'm not like those fucking expensive gurus and shit. Like, I think it's very stupid. I don't think it's stupid, but they low-key just live off that shit. I don't even live off any of this shit. I just literally just live off my trading. Everything I do is for free. Let's see what happens here. And let me tell you something. I would take advantage of dollar. Take advantage of dollar, because it could be a moment where he just doesn't want to do this shit. But I mean, I think he's still very motivated to go live every day. But he's making a lot of money doing this shit. So, just to tell you that. Humir got out of this shit. Humir got out of this shit. He was like, I'm taking my profits, boy. Nice. Good shit. Look, but I think it could still come up here, to be honest. Or I would get out once it breaks the high. There's also a strong rejection. There's a strong rejection area, just because it has these rejections and it has these. Put one out. This was the range, so I think it could. This was the support. Now broke below, retested. Now it's the resistance. I think it could come back to the resistance. I got out too. Let's go, bro. Dollar a gold mine. Yo, he literally is. Been watching for a week, bro. Keep it cut up. Hey, let's go. This was a great trade. This is a way better trade than my trade, for sure. Way better trade than my trade. You could have made more money here if you took maybe the same lot size or whatever. I made like almost 1% here, to be honest. So we're good. I'm good, bro. With 1%, that's why I don't bitch, bro. I don't bitch. 1% is more than okay, to be honest. More than okay. If you come on here, if you guys are new here, if you guys come on here and you guys are looking to flip your account and shit, and to, but at the end of the day, like, it's not really gonna take you anywhere. If you want the whole fucking cake, you can't be greedy, bro. You gotta get a piece of the pie and get the fuck out of here. That's how trading works. You still study CMC? Yeah, I mean, sometimes. I'm very interested into learning it, but the thing, I've been distracted from winning so much. Like, to be honest with you, like, I'm just low-key doing this shit right now. So yeah. Look, we're pushing here. We're pushing.
Yeah, I just feel that imbalance.
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys want to get out here, you guys can, or you guys could wait. Hold up, give me 1 second. If you guys want to get out, it would be a good idea. I think it could push, but I think there's a good area to get out. To be honest with you guys, what's up, Sax?
So one question, man. Every imbalance. Does every imbalance always get filled?
Most of the time. Yeah, I think you should ask Chino that. But I'm not. Yeah, I think most of the time they do. I think Chino's a good person to get asked that. Was this 15? Look, 15 was there. 15 pips was there. I would get out around here, bro, to be honest. I think this is good. I wouldn't weigh anything else. I would get out here. Holding would be greedy, in my opinion. I think holding would be greedy because you got a good piece of the pie here. There's a nice range to trade. I think it's the best.
to just get out right here. It can't fly. Maybe do what I was talking about, guys. Maybe do what I was saying. Get out only 70% out of this bitch.
Yo,
what's good? You know?
For his question, if you use it 5 minutes, bro, every fair value gap usually gets tapped in. You can use it like 5 minute order blocks to trade, and most of the time, it has to get filled at one point. The market never leaves gaps.
So there you go.
Yeah.
Being at one point, it doesn't have to come up when you say, but at one point, you get what I mean? Because sometimes
But if
I
you
go, huh?
Yeah, if you're using the 5 minute to trade, most of the time it feels like in like 30 minutes. It depends, but all the gaps get filled. Look at that gap on the left when it went down, where you took your sell.
Or I took
You could have
myself.
took TP. Yeah, you could have took TP right there in that gap, and it filled right up. I think where you took TP down. Look further down to the left. You see that gap?
Like on
The
the
little
5 minute?
doji, that little doji to the left,
Here.
right there. That's a gap. See how it got filled?
Oh,
The
yeah.
top to the top. The top.
This-
The top wick to the next candle. That's a FBG. A gap.
So from here
So
to
that
here.
Yeah, the next candle up. You see the next candle up?
Right here.
That candle to the bottom candle. That doji candle is a gap.
So from here, like
From
to here.
there all the way down, to that doji, to the doji, right there. That's a gap. See who got filled?
Oh, yeah.
So it has to. You could have took TP at that bottom at that wick.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, so that's another reason why to get the fuck out right now, no?
Yeah, it can come. That could be the range for today. I mean, they could be playing around that range from that buy to sell until it breaks during London.
Yeah, we killed it on here today, boys. Damn, bro. Sheesh. Killed it on here.
Now look to your left. If you go further down to the left,
Yeah,
like
right
way,
here.
go back all the further. You see the big old imbalance, a big gap on the bottom. Look, you see the big, all those gaps where there's nothing there. See how it got filled? That red candle, that big push to the downside. There's a gap. Esa to the top candle.
From here to
on
here.
the left. That's a whole gap. See how it got filled?
So yeah, it came back up and then filled, and then now it's doing its shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
How do you get more chips, huh?
How do you get more pips?
My son, like,
That was funny. That was funny. I just look at him like, yo, he learning out here. That's funny.
He do be asking me stuff, but he's too little. You don't understand him.
Fuck it, teach him young, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe he's too little for this shit.
Nah, he's 7. I mean, that's too little.
Oh, I know. Yeah, 7.
And then my other one too, my older one, they be like asking me, but yeah, they still got a while for that.
Yeah, no, it's.
They see me grinding though. They see me on this shit, so.
They're probably like, what the fuck are those colors and shit?
Yeah, yeah. They know I'm trading, so they know when they see the charge, it's called trading. So.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, you see that big push at the bottom? Go back to the left.
Let me see.
That big imbalance. Mira, dale más para arriba, bro. You see the big candle that had pushed down? All that has to get filled at one point.
So you didn't think it'd come up?
Yeah, I'm looking for a sell at 1925.75 to 1925.80. There's an order block on the. Look at on the 1 hour.
Wait, is this Chino?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Chino.
Oh,
I caught that big. I caught that big sell at 1931.50. That big push. Look, that candle right there. That's a bearish order block right
there. So this some shit.
So for the bottom wick, yeah. Now what I do is wick to wick, and then I use a GAN box to find the 50%, and I mark the 50%, and then usually taps in. Now look to your left. There's another order block
So
before
some
that
shit
push
like this?
down.
Some shit
Yeah,
like
you mark the middle, and then that's what you usually want your trade to hit. Right there, you delete your GAN box, and that'll be your trade.
You call it a GAN box? I call this the Fibonacci.
Well, I use the Fibonacci too, but the GAN box I have it says again. I have it just the 0%, 100. You see that left candle? Go further out para que mires. Más para la izquierda. That before that push down. No. You were right there. You don't have to go all the way. It's the next that push, that big wick.
Right here,
That
this one?
little blue candle, yeah, that candle is a bearish order block.
Oh,
Look,
okay,
mark
okay.
it, and then you see the left, how it's, and you mark the 50%. Look how it tapped in.
So, so from
Today's
here
move.
to here.
Yeah, and I marked the 50%.
From where?
From wick.
From here, wick to wick, 50%.
Look where it tapped in.
Nice. Literally perfect.
Yeah, so that's how I got myself. So I caught that big move too at 1931.50, and I ran it down to 1915.
Nice.
But yeah, that's a bearish order block. You can also look for bullish order blocks on the 1 hour when you're
Yo,
marking
this shit's
the chart.
pushing the fuck up. Look at this. Are you guys holding? Yo, what the fuck is... Yo, this shit's pushing. Yeesh.
This shit might push up during London because there's a big old imbalance.
Yeah, that
and then we
whole
got
night.
FOMC tomorrow. No, I mean payroll. What is it? FOMC was today, wasn't it?
Oh, Edgar has a runner. Sheesh, let's go. TP hit. Everyone's fucking TP get hit today. I think except I think Marcus like took a loss. I'm not sure. But at least you made that shit back, boy. Nice, bro. Nice. What a fucking stream on here again. Another fucking killer stream. We're killing out here, boys. I'm gonna come back. On Monday and kill it again. So yeah, boys, if you wanna fucking eat, come back on Monday. Turn your notifications on so you guys can come. Don't forget to pull up. If you guys want to pull up, I'm not gonna force you to pull up. I'm not gonna force you to make money, but if you guys wanna make money, then come on here on Monday. Turn on your notifications so you guys know when the fuck to pull up. Yeah, boys, I think I'm gonna call it here tonight. We fucking killed it. I took one trade, and then there's a lot of trade setups here as well that I know you guys took.
Yo, before you go, just so you explain, other people can probably understand. I know you don't trade SMC or ICT, but if you look where you took your buy, where you took that trade idea, look at the 5 minute. There's a 5 minute order block right there to the left where we had that rejection.
So
that
this one
right there.
here. So
Yeah.
This right here, this whole area.
So yeah, and look where we had that bounce. It would never wick down.
Oh yeah.
So that was a confirmed order block, bullish order block. That's why it pushed up.
So this is why
that could be the range where you took your sell and that buy. That could be the range until London.
So yeah, it could come back inside of that range.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, boys, I'm gonna call it here. Love you guys. Awesome call, yes sir. A lot of respect, brother, yes sir. You trading NFP tomorrow? No, tomorrow there's no markets are closed tomorrow. Markets are closed. Bro, do you use buy stops? Sometimes I do. But no, not for right now, no. Sell once break equal highs. Yeah, if you guys want to sell, you guys can, but you guys do what you guys know.
That's on y'all.
That's on y'all. Yeah, facts.
Hey.
I don't know. If you guys already took a winning trade, I would just wait until Monday or today earlier. You guys are gonna.
All you need is one. All you need is one, bro. Daily, at least one or two. That's it.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, Snipes.
No, brothers. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, peace out, YouTube. Love you guys. Remember, pull up tomorrow. Oh, not tomorrow. I'm sorry, Monday. I'm gonna take another fucking banger trade on here.